Today, Luke and I are at the grocery store doing some shopping to do some back-to-school baking. What are we making today? What is it?
Breakfast tarts?
Apple cinnamon breakfast tarts. Should we go get our ingredients?
Yeah.
Let's go. This one?
Yeah.
And then what about this one?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get these. Powdered sugar. And we're also going to use the golden sugar. Now, I know you don't care that it's less processed, but Mommy does. You like this one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it. So Luke, we got everything we need. What are we making today?
Apple cinnamon breakfast tarts.
All right, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay.